One of my nukes is being robbed. This one over here is nice and quiet. This one I got a robbing screen on, but I still don't like it. I just threw a wet sheet over it. That'll calm them down and will stop the robbing for sure. No robbing on my other hives. Just some bearding. But this is what robbing looks like. A frenzy of bees trying to get in. Thankfully I had a robbing screen on. They started robbing this one too, so I shut my gates down at the bottom on my robbing screen. And only the top gate is open for the locals to come and go, but all the others are being kept out.